When I transitioned out of the military, I wasn't entirely sure what it was that I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to continue being hands-on in the aviation industry. Having a technical education with hands-on training really sets you apart in today's industry. In fact, it was my airframe and powerplant license that I earned through TSTC, which landed me my very first engineering job. One of the most exciting things I've been able to do in my career up to this point is actually design a capability for an airplane and then go flight test that capability myself. My entire job is focused on bringing the very best to the warfighter day in and day out. One of the things that I most look forward to for the future of my career is continuing to innovate and create new technologies for our warfighters, while also mentoring and developing the next generation of engineers who are going to go forward and make these new capabilities as well. My name is Kasey Dixon, and I am an engineering manager at Lockheed Martin Aeronautics. And TSTC prepared me perfectly for this career.